Hey guys, so in preparation of removing the hatch, I'm removing my emblems. I'm going to be using a series of heat from my heat gun and dental floss to cut the adhesive. Just like flossing your teeth. There we go, one down and two more to go. So the floss kept breaking on this one, so I used some wire that cut the adhesive no problem. This wire is super handy. One more to go. Here I'm using a razor to cut the adhesive. It's a very thin adhesive on this badge compared to the others. I'm being very careful not to damage it because I don't want to buy another SI emblem. And there's the last emblem. Now it's time to clean off the emblem adhesive that's stuck on the paint. I'm using some Goo Gone to wipe off the sticky stuff. This one was easy. Okay, so this adhesive is quite thick, so I'm going to use my rubber adhesive eraser. That took most of it off. The leftover is actually part of the paint and won't come off any further. There we go, that's the emblem and the adhesive all removed. I still need to clean up the rubber bits from the eraser, but the hatch is ready to be pulled off. Anyways guys, thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video. As always guys, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.